Django template: how to look up a dictionary value with a variable. The regular way to look up a dictionary value in a Django template is medic.key1, medic.key2. What if the key is a loop variable, i.e. medic.item.name fails? How to fix this?
You can't by default. The dot is the separator, a trigger for attribute lookup, a key lookup, a slice. Dots have a special meaning in template rendering. A dot in a variable name signifies a lookup. Specifically, when the template system encounters a dot in a variable name, it tries the following lookups, in this order: dictionary lookup. Example, foo, bar, attribute lookup. Example, foo.bar list index lookup. Example, foo, bar. But you can make a filter which lets you pass in an argument. This URL.
Write a custom template filter. I use .get so that if the key is absent, it returns none. If you do dictionary or key, it will raise a key error then. Usage.
Fetch both the key and the value from the dictionary in the loop. I find this easier to read and it avoids the need for special coding. I usually need the key and the value inside the loop anyway.
For me, creating a Python file named template_filters.py in my app with below content did the job. Usage is like what Kuhlbrunn said.